Picture James Bond, suave, sharp, unstoppable, fluent in 5 languages, master of firearms, psychology, poker, high-speed driving. He learns faster than most people even decide. This isn't just Hollywood, it's a framework, a way to think, act, and learn like a spy. 92% of people plod through life, stuck in slow, distracted learning. But spies like Bond? They're the 8% who master skills under pressure, outsmart their enemies, and win every mission. Today, you're getting their secrets. Not tricks, not hacks, but a battle-tested system to rewire your brain for elite performance. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to learn like a spy and live like a legend. Ready for your mission? Let's go. The problem: why you learn slowly. Most people learn like they're stuck in a classroom memorizing useless facts, chasing grades, or scrolling for quick tips. But your brain isn't built for that. It's built for survival, not trivia. Right. Now you're drowning in distractions, phone notifications, TikTok loops, endless tabs. A 2023 MIT study found the average attention span is down to 8 seconds. 8 seconds. No wonder you can't focus on learning a new skill or finishing a project. Your brain's dopamine system is hijacked, addicted to instant hits from likes, videos, and snacks. Meanwhile, real learning, coding, writing, or mastering a craft feels like torture. Spies don't have this problem. Bond doesn't scroll Instagram. He scans rooms, decodes threats, and remembers faces in a split second. Why? Because he learns with purpose under pressure like his life depends on it. You can too, here's how. Secret 1. Operate on urgency. First secret: spies learn on a mission. Bond doesn't cram for exams, he learns in the field, where the stakes are life or death. A 2021 Oxford study showed your brain learns 40% faster under real-world stress. It's called situational intelligence. When Bond memorizes a code or a face, it's because his survival depends on it. Picture him dodging bullets, recalling a license plate mid-chase. That's the power of urgency. Navy SEALs use something similar: stress inoculation training. They practice skills under simulated combat pressure, freezing water, no sleep. 2. Lock and retention. You don't need a gunfight to do this. Simulate stakes. Set a 20-minute timer for a learning drill. Memorize 5 key terms, practice a coding snippet, or rehearse a sales pitch. Feel the clock ticking. Your heart races, your focus sharpens. I tried this with Spanish vocab, 20 minutes, high pressure, no distractions. I remembered 90% of the words a week later. You can too. Start today. Pick one skill, set a timer, and learn like your mission depends on it. Secret 2. Laser-focused intelligence. Second secret: spies don't multitask. They zero in. Bond doesn't. Doomscroll TikTok. He scans rooms, reads micro-expressions, decodes threats. His brain is in deep work mode, always on. Daniel Craig trained for Casino Royale, using memory palace techniques and cognitive drills to mimic real MI6 agents. A memory palace is where you visualize a place, like your house, and link facts to objects. Picture a poker chip on your AUR couch for bluffing strategy. It sticks. A 2022 Journal of Cognitive Science study found this boosts recall by 50%. You can train this focus. Download an app like Elevate or Peak to drill working memory. Think quick math or pattern games. Do a dopamine detox before learning. No phone, no music, no noise for 30 minutes. Then practice visual scanning. Next time you're in a cafe, spot 3 details: a logo on a cup, a stranger's watch, a sign's font. Recall them later. I did this and noticed details I'd ignored for years. Your brain becomes a steel trap. Secret 3. Learn what matters, forget the rest. Third secret: spies don't waste time. Bond isn't memorizing trivia. He learns what keeps him alive. Survival skills, strategy, persuasion, intuition. Real MI6 agents use selective cognitive load. Focus on the 20% of knowledge that delivers 80% of results. A 2020 MI6 training manual, declassified, emphasizes skills like threat assessment and negotiation over random facts. You don't need to know everything, just what moves the needle. Want to win in 2025? Learn high ROI skills: copywriting to sell, coding to build, sales to persuade, AI tools to scale, decision-making to lead. Forget impressing friends with useless facts. I used to study random history dates. Pointless. Now I focus on content creation. Pick one skill with real payoff. Ask, will this make me money? Save me time or make me sharper? If not, ditch it. Learn to win, not to show off. Secret 4. The spy state mind. Fourth secret: spies aren't born confident. They build it. Bond stays calm under gunfire because he's trained his mind for resilience. Real agents use cognitive reframing. They visualize worst-case scenarios, then anchor calm responses. A 2019 Psychology Today study showed this cut stress by 30%. Picture Bond defusing a bomb, heart steady, because he's mentally rehearsed it. You can do this. Every morning, visualize your toughest task. Public speaking, a tough exam, big meeting. See it going wrong, then see yourself crushing it. Take 3 slow breaths. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. Walk into the task like it's a mission. I tried this before a big presentation. My nerves vanished, and I nailed it. Confidence isn't magic. It's training. Start tomorrow. Pick one challenge. Visualize it, breathe, and execute like a spy. Bonus: Bond's 2025 learning routine. Want to learn like Bond in 2025? Here's a modernized 007 routine to make your brain elite. First, take a 30-second cold shower. It spikes adrenaline, waking your mind, per a 2022 neuroscience study. Second, do a 25-minute deep learning session. Use the Pomodoro technique. No distractions. Study one high ROI skill. Code a line, write a headline, practice a pitch. Third, run a 10-minute feedback loop. Quiz yourself, test your skill, or execute it. Made a mistake? Fix it fast. Fourth, calm your mind with 5 minutes of visualization or meditation. Picture your success. Finally, keep your phone off until noon. No inputs, just mission mode. I followed this for a week and learned more Python than in a month of casual study. Quote from Casino Royale, Sem. A man's success is measured by what he can learn under pressure. Live it. Real world. Proof. Let's talk proof. Meet Alex, a graphic designer drowning in distractions. He couldn't finish client work, always scrolling. He tried this 007 system. Day 1, he deleted TikTok. Day 3, he used timed drills to learn Adobe shortcuts. By day 7, he was using memory palaces to nail client briefs. In a month, he doubled his output and landed 3 new clients. A 2023 Nature study backs this. Focused, high-pressure learning rewires neural pathways for retention. Alex didn't get smarter, he got sharper. You can too. Call to action. Your mission. Here's the deal. 92% of people learn slowly, distracted by dopamine traps. The 8%? They learn like spies. Fast, focused, ruthless. Your mission starts now. Pick one secret. Timed drills, a dopamine detox, a high ROI skill, or mental reframing. Comment below. My 007 mission is blank. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for Monday. Spies don't wait. They act. Join the 8% who win. Live like a legend. Your new mantra: I learn fast, I act sharp, I win big. Say it, feel it, live it. School taught you to memorize. Bond teaches you to master. Navy SEALs train under pressure. James Clear builds systems. You've got their playbook. Learn like a spy, live like a legend. Comment 007 below and start your mission now.